Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mamello Mutsumi. So on all my social media I go by the name of Miss Mutsumi. If you search Miss Mutsumi, you will find me on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. I'm Miss Mutsumi. But subscribe, thank you so much. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also like and comment. Lampana today I've already buffed and then Kitlo installer. Yes, I got this hair from Emmy Hair, Dragon City. I got the hair from Emmy Hair. I'm gonna install this hair. I got it from Emmy Hair. D43, I think, or 42. I don't remember exactly the shop number, but this Emmy Hair, yeah, I got the hair from that shop. And also I did install the other one. I bought 2 weeks from Emmy Hair. I did install the other one, the maroon one. So I'll do a video installing it again. How is it? But the hair, the quality is very nice, silky, and the knots that thing, they're not that big, they handle. So pro installer, thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like and comment. The comments on it, they are very important. Comment and how do you feel about my vlog, and guy. I get about no, like even my mom said, oh Mamello, you add too much music on your vlog. So when I don't go in how do music, and then I listened. Also my friends bumping hair, I listened. So yeah, let me install my hair and then make my makeup and then go.
Keep your hands on me, just be right there.
the cap is outside. I'm done with my makeup and installation, and then this is how I look. You can see my sali, and I decided to naturally because Nago was not on my side. So this is how I look for the day. My outfit, I'll try to take a video of my outfit, or I don't know, I'll see.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your dab, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying into morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, no.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm back. And then I went to Ocean Basket, Gaja, and then I got back here. I had to clean because I left a mess and exam. Anyways guys, the makeup was done in a hurry. I went natural, as you can see. So I'm not Jinanang. What I'm gonna do, you want to for my birthday as a gift, and I'll show you what I got at Foschini. At Foschini, you take it to one of into that thing, and Foschini Yalwan. Foschini Yalwan. Guys, man, can you see my hair? Guys, can you see my hair? Oh, it's a really shape. Ma, can you see the hair? Hey, can you see? The bob is bobbing. Hi. Alright, well, hey guys, I can't let's walk to the guy for Dragon City. So let me show you guys what I got. This is what my friend got me for my birthday. Thank you, Chomiaka. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Chomi. Guys, I've wanted them for so long. But I didn't like it. Chomiaka angry. Fast, that's all. And then, guys, I got this from Foschini, as you can see. I got the shoes from Foschini. Look how cute they are. This is cute. Cute. They're cute. Foschini, and then ooh, guys, and they are very comfortable. Shame, I got to work upon. Guys, I can't wait. Ho rola diteke ke kene di pushing ke be ngwana na o di soft le ka hare ka mona. I cannot wait. This is okay. This is what I got at Woolworths today. Ne,
whether she can get it, say that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tight. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Get me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm getting big you.
Guys, nna ke kopa le commenting hleng comment ke kopa le comment nna ke rata ntse ke bontsha mowa ke kopa le commenting hleng on my comment section ile reng le mpetseng ka di comment le bueng OC we expected this and we are not getting that or OC you are coming right cool the comments di bohlokwa and ha le bona there is something ke etsang sa ithabeleng abana. Of course. Anyway, so Billy intro a sharp. Oh hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've been what I guess a billion a but I'm working on that. Like a papa playing kitchen, guys, kitchen. One. The hair. The bob is bobbing. When the bob is bobbing. Bye.
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened.